Hey, it's Andy. I smell cinnamon. We're gonna do the cinnamon dragon test. It's where you get a spoonful of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. I can't say it. You get a spoon of cinnamon and then you put it in your mouth and it closes your glands so you can't breathe and you have to chew or swallow all the cinnamon. So we're gonna do it. Okay, Skylar's gonna do it and Megan's gonna do it. Skylar and Megan. Skylar, go by Megan so that I can get like a view. Okay, ready?
I'll trade you.
Ready?
I can't do it.
See, look how much is on there. It's a lot of cinnamon. Okay. Megan has less. Oh, now Skylar has less. Don't drop any. Okay, go. All of it. Don't do it. Eat it all. I will kill you if you spit it out. That's a waste of my dad's cinnamon. Stop whining. Swallow it. Stop. Ew. Megan, don't lose, Megan. It's supposed to burn.
It's stuck.
Eat it, Megan. Eat it, Megan. Eat it. Eat it. Be a good girl. Guy was a bad kid. Megan's gonna throw up. Watch. That's not throw up. That's cinnamon. It's burning their mouths. Ew, it's everywhere. Well, that's all now, folks.